Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia Nachivole. In today's video, you're going to learn how to crochet this beautiful and easy summer cardigan. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. I'll join them. Then after I'll try ordering the tassels. I'm going to use this yarn. It is cotton yarn. It recommends 4.5 mm, 5 mm. I'm going to use 5 mm. I'm going to use this darning needle. I'm going to use a pair of scissors. I'm going to use stitch markers and a measuring tape. I will leave in the description box how many grams I've used. This is 100 grams. Mark this. I tighten it. We are going to start with a foundation chain. Foundation chain, we are going to crochet. Foundation chain, we are going to measure the length between the shoulders and the middle of the thigh. And mine is 60 centimeters. Then we are going to double it, the one for front panel and the other one for the back panel. That means we are going to crochet until we have 120 centimeters for the foundation chain. Let us start the foundation chain. We are going to crochet until we have 120 centimeters. Foundation chain is 120 centimeters. Then I added on 3 chains. That will be our turning chain. It's going to work as our first double crochet. Double crochet, you yarn over, you have 2 loops on the hook. You pass the hook into the chain. You're going to pass the hook into the 4th chain from the hook and pull the yarn. You have 3 loops on the hook. You pull this working yarn. You pass through the 2 loops on the hook, remain with 2 loops. Then you go through these 2 loops. That is double crochet. Then we are going to continue with double crochet until the end of the chain. We are going to crochet 2 rectangles which are identical. Then after we join them together. This is the last stitch. We are going to chain 3 and turn our work. In each double crochet, we are going to put 1 double crochet. In each stitch, we are going to put 1 double crochet. Until 1 double crochet in each stitch, we are going to continue with double crochet until the width is 20 centimeters, because the middle of my chest is 20 centimeters. Once we reach 20 centimeters, we are going to stop there. Then we join the 2 rectangles. With our 2 panels, next we are going to join them together. We are going to start joining from the back side. We are going to use the stitch markers. Remember, the length is 120 centimeters. We are going to count for 60 centimeters, then we are going to press the stitch marker that will be our back panel. We are going to put the stitch mark here where 60 centimeter ends. This is going to be our back panel. We are going to use the laminator to join them together. The stitch mark and the stitch joining from this side. From this side to this side. I'm going to tie this in to tighten it. From this side, we are going to pass this needle into the back loop. Have two loops, this one and this one. This is the back loop, this is the front loop. We are going to use the back loop. From each side, we are going to use the back loop. We are going to use the back loop from each side until we reach the stitch marker where 60 centimeters ends. With the stitch marker, I'm going to close this. I'm going to cut off the hem. I shall read it later. Next, we are going to join the sides. This side like this. This is the front panel. I'm going to join this side. Here we are going to first measure the circumference of the hand and the left the distance for the and the side. The circumference of my hand is 33 centimeters. Then I'm going to press the stitch mark here. And we are going to join this side. After we turn to this side, also we join like this. After joining, that's where we shall add on the tassels after joining these two sides. I'm done with joining. Next, we are going to attach on the tassels. See how it looks. For the tassels, we are going to measure the length you want. For me, mine are 8 8 inches, but you can attach your desired length. You're going to attach down here the tassels. You're going to use these two strands, you put them together, then you attach them here, like this. You put them together, you continue attaching the tassels until you finish. If you want it, you continue attaching your tassels until you finish. If you want many tassels, you can add on, but for me, I want it when it is light. That's why I used only 2 strands. But you can put as many as you want. You attach them in this space. You chain these 2 double crochet to attach with this tassels. If you want to be more packed, you can use like 3 strands, but for me I used only 2 strands, as you can see. Next we are going to cut off these excess ones, those who passed through. We are going to cut it off. Now our cardigan is finished. We are going to weave in these ends. Thank you for watching.